you guys feeling this evening? You guys had a good time thus far? I was backstage before when Birth Tooth was on and you guys were fucking blowing the roof off the joint. All I could hear was you guys singing, so holy shit. Thank you guys so much for this vibe. This is so fucking great. How your voices feeling? You still got a little bit left? It's alright. It's alright. Yeah, you're fucking pumped. Jesus. Help me out. Real simple. Give me a yeah! 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 Alright, so you can sing this next one. This song's called Vice Grip.